In today's video, we are finishing up this project. Most of you, I hope you remember, right here. Okay, so if you do remember, I rewind this motor as a single phase using 0.5 millimeters wire. There it is. And the other side is covered for other reasons to avoid touching these. Okay, right there. So in this video, because before I did not run it in full speed and see like how the light bulb can come on, or maybe the grinder, if you can power the grinder, how fast it can go. So in this video, I'm here to finish up all of that. So I'm gonna mount it on this. This is not a full generator, it's just a housing, a carrier, let me say like that. So let me show the back. This is the wiring I did before. You can see there, this is a circuit breaker here, and these are the sockets where the power will come out. Right here, yeah, all over there, and here is our breaker. All right, and this engine switch is going to be triggering the on-off this DC motor. All right, I did connect to this, but I did not run it perfectly because of battery problem. But today our battery is full charged, so that's why I decided to finish up this so that I can be able to take out this wire and use big wire instead of this one. Like I said, this is 0.5 millimeters, but we're having nice output, but we need more than that output. But anyway, let's finish up this project. So like I always do all the time, this is gonna be here, just want to show you, and the DC will be here, DC motor at the middle. I'm going to connect with this. So if you do remember, before I was having problem with these, so I bought another one, new ones, so that this time I really wanna see and show you how much voltage we can get from here. Okay, about the voltage is fine, but about the watts. All right, so I'm gonna take these out and replace with these, and right here, to avoid this motor to come out because of the vibration, I'm gonna use these, one right here, one other side, one I'll put it here, and one other side. Okay, so that when this thing is vibrating, cannot lose it to cause misalignment right here. Right now I'm pausing it just a little quick. These wires, they're going to be connected. Let me put it closer. These wires, they will be connected on top here as the output, and there will be another wire connected down here going to the battery. I hope you understand. This to the battery and the motor on top. Right, we done that side. So here the output, first the power will come from our generator, this here, the motor, the alternator, okay, whatever, and brown, both two browns will go here to this brown wire, and black will be connected to black. I'm going to use tape to cover here to avoid short circuit. Alright, so there's two brown here because we have this and this one. Okay, so what is happening here? Yeah, okay, I think somewhere there's a problem, but okay, let's see, from here to here, then from there going, yeah, we're fine, nothing wrong. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. This will be looking like this. Let's go to 1. Yeah, it's going to look like this after all the connections. This will be right there. Okay, so if you can allow me to pause this video and do all the setup, and once I finish, we are going to do this outside. Okay, we're going to run it outside. Okay, I am done putting anything else together, just like you can see there in front. So quickly, this is the battery that we're going to use in this video. Okay, it's small, but for testing I believe it's going to do a great job. So sorry about the noise outside because I'm too close to the road, but that is not gonna stop us to do this test. So right here there's a little bit misalignment, but yeah, I believe it's not going to stop us. Here, just like I show you the connections. This is the front. This is the front. The connections, I hope you do remember about it. Alright, so this again right here. So this is the cable. This is going to take the battery. I'm going to start with this one. I know you're laughing because it is too small. Sorry for that, there was some people passing. So yeah, but anyway, small battery, of course, just for testing. First the test here and right here. Switching on. Can you see there in the middle? It is spinning right here. Well, not too much vibration, but I believe maybe once we connect the big battery, we're gonna have a serious vibration. But one way to find out, let's connect to this light bulb here and here. Alright, I paused the video. I was connecting here properly. So this is 100 watts. We are using small battery there, like you see down here. Now let's see if that small battery will be able to power this. Plug it right here. No, 0. Okay, so this is gonna be on. Now, open here. The real test begins now. Now I'm going to connect this battery. Yeah. Right. So, double check here. Connected. Connected. On. Okay. It's time to power on this guy with a big battery. I'm scared. Should I get something? Yeah, let's use a stick to power it on because I'm scared. All right, now I got a stick. Ready? Woo-hoo. There we go. See now? Yes! Yes! It's happening. Okay, nothing to scared of. Alright. Now let's check this guy out. This is 400 watts. I'm trying to be quick, you know, before we lose the power from the battery. Here the cable, right here. Connecting it right here. Alright, now let's see. Alright, just like I say, the battery it's gonna do its own thing because I know these fake batteries. But anyway, we've seen this. Now let's connect our guy, the grinder. Here is the grinder. Plugging it in. Okay, connected. Here, take out the cable. Okay. Now maybe. Ready? There we go. Just scratching it. I don't want to cut it because this is the broom. So Someone is gonna shout me for cutting this broom. All right. Okay. So, yeah. That's 500 watts. I didn't show you. Here is 500 watts angle grinder. That's what we are powering. All right. Well, nothing is hot, and vibration, I thought it's gonna be that bad, but it wasn't too bad. Well, I believe this machine can save you. Nothing fake was happening here. See the back. Put this in. This is heavy. Really heavy. No magic happening back here. See there? No any magic happening. Like a fake connection. So I want you to see right here. That's why I'm turning it. Right. So you're gonna see there, right there. Once I power it on, here is our grinder. Right there. Ready? And keep it closed. There we go. Okay. No magic happening here. Yeah. Power switch. See that? On. Okay, so I believe we are done with this project. I show you what I really wanted to show you. So let me know in the comment section if this project is cool and if you are satisfied. But we're not done yet with this housing. As I said, I am going to take out all the wires that I use in this project. I was using the 0.5 millimeters wire. So this time I'm going to use 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter wire, which is thick enough to power multiple tools, not just to power one grinder or maybe one machine. No, most of you, I hope you know, 1 millimeter is going to be very big. That's a big wire. Now these are small. It's 55 watts, 100 watts. Just to finish up, connect it, all of them. Okay, so if you can allow me to stop right here, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to like. Thanks.